Welcome in to another stitch tutorial with myself, Lisa Ladybird, and a scrap piece of crochet that is going to act as my blanket today because we are going to do a border. So I've already gone round with a single crochet to give the foundation to my border. So this seems a little bit complicated. As soon as you put your hook to the yarn, you will find out just how easy it is. So let's get going. Doesn't matter where you start, but wherever you do, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip 2 stitches. So 1, 2, and in the third, double crochet into that third stitch. Chain 3. This will act as a double crochet. Now, this bit is where it seems complicated until you get your hook and yarn together. You are going to do another double crochet. Now here's the double crochet from the foundation, and we have 2 stitches within it. We are going to the top stitch in that double crochet and making another double crochet. We are going into the next one under it, which is just there, and we're doing another double crochet. And then one more double crochet into the initial foundation stitch. Double crochet, foundation stitch, and there we have our first block. Skip 2, 1, 2, and into the third, double crochet. When you've done your double crochet, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And into that initial double crochet into the very top, you want another double crochet. And one under it, just here. And another double crochet in that starting stitch at the bottom. Into there, double crochet. And you keep on going. So skip 2, 1, 2, into the third, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet into the first stitch. If we turn that on its side, maybe you can see there's the first V, there's the second V. First is at the bottom, second's at the top. We're going into the top, into the stitch for a double crochet, and one into that bottom stitch just there for another double crochet. And then one into the very base where this all began. Another double crochet. And carry on all the way to the end. Skip 2, go into the third, double crochet and chain 3, which is acting as your double crochet. So you actually end up with 4 double crochets in a block. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yes, it is a block when it's stretched out, but it has that nice little curve to it. No pointy edges. Double crochet into the top of the initial double crochet, double crochet into the bottom of that double crochet, and double crochet into the very base of the initial double crochet. I'll do the next one a little bit quicker. Of course, you can pause, you can rewind, or you can even speed it up, whichever you need. And if you like the look of my hook, it is a custom make by Jelena over at Cutlery Designs on Etsy. She will make your design into a hook, and when you're happy, we'll bake and send for a very reasonable price, bless her. Okay. Oops, nearly missed it. And one into the base. Now when it comes to the corner, you can do it however you feel is right for you. You can literally carry on with the skip 2 and do 1, or you can skip a couple and do it again around the corner, or you can put a couple on the corner. It is completely down to you and your design. So for me, I'm going to skip 2 and go into this one. Just to show you how that will look. And then I'll go back and I will show you again. So the way I'm doing it right now as I go around the corner is carrying on regardless. And one into the bottom. And that would be how the corner looks. I'll do one more just to clarify it for you. 1, 2, chain of 3, double crochet in the top, double crochet in the bottom, and double crochet in the base. Now let's just show you that. So that is how it would look if you carried on regardless. Now if I go back, another thing you can do is chain 2, 1, 2, and then double crochet in the second one along. Chain 3, double crochet in the top, double crochet in the bottom, double crochet in the base, and then for that you've just got that little bit of give, as it were. Or you could, if you really chose to, just do a corner as you would any other time. Do a double crochet, and then into the corner do a couple of double crochets, extending that block, if not 3. And then when you come around the corner, do a double crochet 2 along, chain 3, double crochet in the top of that initial double crochet, double crochet in the bottom, and then double crochet in the base. It's all about the base, And there I will place on a stitch marker, still available, made by myself, and that is the Olé Olé border. I hope you like. If you do, please give a thumbs up. And of course, there's a tutorial every single Tuesday. Health comes first though. Got to remember that one. But almost every Tuesday, if not all Tuesdays, there is a tutorial. If you're willing to come back, then please also, while you're down there giving a thumbs up, subscribe would be wonderful. Hope to see you around. Hope this is of use. Take care. Bye bye.